So I wanted myself a drink, and what I did was I saw a sugar-free zero mixer. So I went and got that. This is a non-alcoholic strawberry margarita, 0 calories. And I had some frozen ice. I've already started mixing it over here. Then I added some gin, 3 strawberries I put in there. Well, I just put in there. I'm going to mix those up. And this is going to be my low-calorie keto drink. You can see everything in here. You use the sugar-free, and then the strawberries are keto. Okay. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish this. But I've already screwed this tight. Let me put this on here. It's my drink. Got that locked in. And I'm adding the strawberries. That is so good. And remember, this is all. If you are going to make a drink and you are doing keto, make sure that you use a clear alcohol or a clear liquor. I don't know if some will say gin has corn in it or what. I really don't know, but gin is what I use. Okay. To the top of this, I'm going to add some Ready Whip real cream. Let me go ahead and open this up and pour it in my glass. Look at how good that looks. Okay, so this is open. Look how creamy. Okay, I'll pour it over. Looks like there's enough for 2 here. I'm gonna take my whipping cream. I'm gonna shake that up. Add it to the top here. And voila. There is my sugar-free strawberry margarita. Enjoy. So I'm in a weight loss challenge, so I'm hoping that this is not going to kick me out of ketosis or anything, but it really should not. Anyway, let me taste it. Let's flip this camera around. This is good, and you really can't tell that it is not made with sweeteners and everything that they usually use. It tastes just as good. But knowing that it's low calorie, it doesn't have all those sweeteners in it, I'll be able to enjoy it better. So good.